So, hello all. This is Akshay from Team 5 and we are interested on HCL Tech Company, which stands for Hindustan Computer Private Limited. This is introduced by Shiv Nader, who is the founder of HCL Group in the year of 1986, and he is a leading mastery where he presented and organized the global solutions very well in the HCL Tech Solutions. And now he is currently busy in some other work. So he gave the CEO post to C. Vijay Kumar, who is also a member from that particular company. Where now you might think why HCL and what is HCL? HCL generally stands for, as I previously said, Hindustan Computer Private Limited, which generally performs on IT global-based services and consultancy. So what is IT-based consultancy? Can anybody say? Can anybody know? Does anyone of you know IT consultancy services? No. Okay. So IT consultancy services are the services which is dealt for the people. So it will be dealt by overall the world. So it's like a simple global solutions where even they have some career plans, good organizations and etc. So here is the roadmap, the strategical roadmap. The way they deal. So they take an internal source or internal data from the people where they made it to a domain so that they can get more information, and they finally process it by giving out the products like in the sales, marketing, accountant, finance and internal location, etc. So here are the certifications which they got, like one in the ESG ranking and etc. where you can see from the PPT slide. And when it comes to the roles, there are many. There are organization management, product management, technical operations and supplemental roles, where I have mentioned it in the sideways, like software development and IT consultancy. These are the main roles which are played by people, and the organization, product, technical supplements, and these are one of the departments which are played in the main roles. And now when it comes to the interview process, so it will be as an application form in the online where you might get a soft copy or a hard copy as possible. So they will just make a short listing of their eligibility criteria. So after the eligibility criteria, they will make a technical interview. It will definitely be offline, not online. So then it comes to the HR round, and the next, as you know, they will select, or they will say simply like we'll come back. So here are the qualifications required, like BE, BTech and MCA. And if you are a software developer, you should have minimum 4 years of experience. So also you should be a pro in C, net fundamentals and web API fundamentals. And you even have to know about the JavaScript, React fundamentals, and basically communication skills and problem solving skills. Now even at Sideway I also mentioned about the bar graph, which shows the recruitment of past 2 years. And about the trends and insights, they are currently working upon the bioengineering, which is a connection of biology and engineering to the global solution world, and also artificial intelligence, cloud optimization, AI in global management and banking tech. These are I'm going to explain that briefly. And when it comes to the benefits and the health, and benefits, they give an insurance, health, wellness, financial and retirement, vacation of time off, perks and benefits, and professional support. So this is what I maintained about the HCL Tech Solutions. Thank you.